Okay, so Dad's gonna put in the new beehive. Supposed to be 10,000 bees.
New package of bees.
New package of bees. Italian.
Easter Sunday,
Yep.
April 24th.
Easter Sunday, April 24th, 2011. New package of bees. Italian.
First thing you do,
First thing you do.
you gotta release the queen from the package and put her in the hive. Take the top piece of cover off. Inside you can see the can. The can has some sugar syrup to help them live on while they're in transport from Georgia. Alright. What you want to do is you want to get the queen out and then put this cover back on.
Uh-oh.
Alright. Here she comes. Put that cover back on. Alright, these are the bees that are taking care of her, the worker bees.
Okay.
There's a cork in this end here that you want to pop out. This has prevented the worker bees to get at the queen during transport. But now we want the worker bees to release her from this little cage. You can see her barely in there. She's covered by some workers there.
Mm-hmm.
But we want them to release her. So we take this cork out, and inside of there is a little piece of candy.
Bees love it.
The bees will eat that candy to get her out.
First you need
You
a
can
coconut.
see. Right there. So we'll help the bees get started. We'll poke a little hole in that candy.
Make sure not to damage the bee.
Yeah. I want to go all the way through and take out the queen. There we are, we're through. And they'll work on that to get her out of there. See if we can get a good look at her. There she is. She's in there with a couple of workers that have died as well. She wants out too. There she is. Nice long abdomen.
Yep.
She's running back and forth. She's a bit nervous. So, let's see what we can do to get her out. What I'm going to do is...
You want to put the candy side up.
Yeah. Because...
That way the dead worker bees won't get in the way of the passage.
Remember, there was a couple of worker bees that got trapped in there with her. Now, if I turn that upside down like this, the way out will be trapped by the dead worker bees inside. So we want to try and put this in right side up.
Yeah. Take one of the middle frames.
I actually want to leave because it's full. That's what I want to take out. Now, normally, you have something across here as well that you can kind of hang her on. What we're going to try and do is we're going to try and squish her in here. And hope that she stays put. There we go.
Nice and tight.
Nice and tight. Okay. Take this out now.
Now the fun part.
Yep. Taking the can of syrup out.
First the bees are going to come out.
Yep. Stomp them down first. See how they're all packed up on the top like that? We want them down off the top so I can take that can out. They're going to start buzzing.
That's done, kicked off.
Take that can of syrup out. It's actually kind of still full. Oh, come on out, can.
There's a dump it again.
Yeah.
I think they were working on propolis there. Okay.
There's the can of syrup.
And they're all starting to fly.
And now we're going to take them, dump them into here. Shake it. We'll find that queen and cover that queen. You see there's a significant number of these here. They don't mind getting tapped around a little bit. That helps dump them out.
That's why we have bee suits, so we don't get stung. Ah, they're leaving their scent on me.
Alright, two stragglers.
They'll
Put that
come
in
out.
front of the hive.
And there you got your new hive.
Alright.
Well, not really yet.
Okay, guys.
Ooh. Don't worry to crush a few. It's only a few.
Inevitable.
But if some are stuck and they're still alive, you can try and save them.
Yep.
That's a nice thing to do. And there you go. Make sure it's all nice and tight.
Done deal.
So, there you go. Now you just gotta put a few bricks on it.
I'll bet you.